Sabir Malik, a labourer from West Bengal, was beaten to death allegedly by a group of individuals in Charki Dadri district on August 27. 5 men, namely Abhishek, Mohit Ravinder, Kamaljeet and Sahil, along with 2 juveniles, have been arrested in connection with the crime. The Deputy Superintendent of Police, Dheeraj Kumar, has confirmed that a case under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita was registered and that the accused are currently in police remand. Malik, the key accused, who was the key victim, who was working as a rag picker near Bandra village, was lured to a shop under the pretense of selling empty plastic bottles before being assaulted. After the intervention by the bystanders, the accused took Malik to a different location and beat him again, resulting in his death. Meanwhile, Haryana Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini has also taken the cognizance of the matter and said that such incidents are unfortunate and should not happen. Let's in fact now listen it.
ऐसा आप मऊ लिंचिंग का बात ये इस प्रकार की बातें ठीक नहीं है। हमने क्योंकि गौ माता के संरक्षण के लिए विधानसभा के अंदर भी कड़ा कानून बनाया है और गौ माता के इसके लिए कोई समझौता नहीं है। गांव के अंदर इतनी श्रद्धा गौ माता के प्रति है कि अगर उनको पता चल जाए कि इस प्रकार का ये हालात कर रहे हैं तो गांव के लोग हैं, वो कौन रुकता है फिर उसके अंदर क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ। परंतु मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि इस प्रकार की घटनाएं नहीं होनी चाहिए और ये घटनाएं दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण हैं। मैं उन लोगों से भी कहना चाहूँगा कि वो इस प्रकार के संसाधनों के अंदर संलिप्त ना हो, उससे बचना चाहिए। ऐसा आप मऊ लिंचिंग का बात।
All right, joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Vipin Parmar. Vipin, very good morning to you. In an unfortunate incident in Haryana, where the Chief Minister has also reacted on the tragic death of a migrant labourer by 5 men and the mob lynching that has now in fact created a lot of furore. What exactly had transpired and what is the update on the probe?
Well, as far as the probe is concerned, as far as the police investigation is concerned, they have arrested 7 people in regards to this particular incident. But this quite unfortunate incident have taken place on 27th of this particular August in Charki Dadri district of Haryana. The police is stating that they have arrested all the accused who were involved in in this particular attack against this particular youth who was beaten to death there at Charki Dadri. Now, the Chief Minister of the state, Nayab Singh Saini, had clearly stated that such incidents cannot be promoted and, it shouldn't have happened. The police is taking their, course. They have already started the investigation. They have arrested the people. But these, incident cannot be, promoted in the state. But being an election-bound state, this matter has been taken up by the opposition parties now. They are clearly questioning this current state government over the law and order situation, and this is the main, issue for the upcoming elections in the state. As far as the Congress is concerned, they are clearly stating that we have, raised multiple times this particular concern over the law and order situation in Haryana, and this incident had taken place there at Charki Dadri, which is, still raising so many questions that how law and order situation in Haryana is continuously decreasing and depriving day by day. But as far as the Chief Minister is concerned, he clearly stated that we won't be, let any person who are involved in this particular case, those will be punished. And the police, as far as the probe is concerned, investigation is concerned, they have arrested the 7 people in this particular matter.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.